Go ahead. Hi, my name is Tom Olson, the Opal at the National Weather Service office in Springfield, Missouri. And this is the part 2 of replacing the backup battery of the FPR-D model. And we're using the COOP D111D Note 5 as a guide. And this section here I'm going to cover is the A.2.2 paragraph. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect the 12-volt battery. Once that's disconnected, you want to hook yourself up to an ESD grounding strap around your wrist, and then it's grounded off on the Fisher-Porter ground right here. The next step is to loosen up the screws on the front panel here. Once that comes loose, you'll want to remove the front panel, and that's done by just sliding it gently kind of back and forth to the left, and it comes off the hooks there. Now if you can zoom in on here, Mike, you notice that the backup battery is right there where my finger is located, and there's like a little positive. It's showing positive for the battery is going to be up. So when we replace it, we want to make sure that positive is on the upward side. So the next step is to take the screwdriver with some tape across around it. Now this is sometimes a little difficult to get under there, but you want to kind of push your way, slide it back and forth, kind of get it underneath. You might try it from the other side because that hole might be a little bit bigger. So once it's in there, you can slide it over, and what you're going to do next is just start spinning it. See how it already started popping out. So once it's popped out, we can grab it and pull it out. And again, you notice that there's the plus for the top side. So we'll get our new battery. Take that off. And the type of battery it is, in case you're wondering, and you can get these on the NLSC, but it's the 2032, and that's a CR2032. These are a lithium ones, so they should last quite a long time for you. So you remove the tape that's on there for the negative part of it. So now we're going to just kind of slide it up underneath. I don't know if you can see that right there. Slide it, and you just slide it, push it in, and it clicks right in. So now it's all set up with the new battery. So we're going to take that and put the front cover back on, and that just slides in and to the left. And we'll screw this back in. So once you've done that, our next step is to we put that new battery in. We're going to attach the front enclosure. We did that, and now after that we're going to do the setup and verify the current time. And to do that, we're going to reconnect the battery. Start up, and it should tell you, because we removed that battery, it says time not set, press set to fix. So that's the next thing we're going to do, is set to fix. So you're just going to move over. We're going to move these through. It's 2018. Today's date is, we'll go back this way, the 8th August. And it's the 15th. Now here's just going to set the time. Now the time we're going to set is going to be standard time, not daylight savings. So we're going to have to do right now, we're in daylight savings, so it's showing 12 o'clock. So we're going to have to set it to 11 o'clock. And set these to 0. And we'll set it. So it's going to take a while. You notice on here it's not showing it has been updated. What you can do is to just move that to a different setting. If you see how it just updated, it takes a while to update that. So now we're on the correct time on there. I'm going to follow the steps in section A1 to verify the backup battery replacement is successful. So you go back to the A1 in the mod note and make sure that this is is a successful replacement, and it should be. You just got a brand new battery. You should have no issues with that. So now when you're all done, you want to exit off all these menus there, and you're ready to turn it off. The last step in this is you want to make sure when you do this is to put a note in the sys system in the remarks saying that this steps were completed, and you will follow that. Also, it's in page 6 and 7 of the mod note, and then you just follow that for inputting that into sys, showing that you did replace the battery. That's all I have. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day, all.